Hi friends, Starry Hilder. And this is a Mrs. Meetbird vlog. It has to be. Because you know how close Mrs. Meetbird was to Mr. Rooster. And I believe she is going through a depression. I think she is. Even though Mr. Meetbird was kind of mean to her, she really did love Mr. Rooster. And she's kind of been moping around here for quite a while. Yeah. I really don't know what to do with her. I'm kind of watching her. I mean, she's eating and drinking, as you can see. But she's been kind of laying around feeling sorry for herself. I know. Poor Mrs. Meetbird. She's been kind of, oh yeah, she, I gotta tighten this up, her little, sometimes she's like, I really don't know about this new saddle I got, but it does look kind of groovy on her. And she's drinking a little milk, so she's eating and drinking, but yeah, she's a little on the depressed side. So what are we gonna do with Mrs. Meetbird? I don't know, but she's sad. But I will say the rest of the chickens are so extremely happy. The whole area here has just calmed down. I can come in here. The chickens just are really relaxed. And you know, yeah, probably should have done something with Mr. Rooster a while ago. But you know what? That's how Starry is. I can't part with it. But it just got to the point where it was time with our new little babies. And I'll show you, they are doing wonderful today. In fact, there's Mama over there. And good job, Sprig. See? They are really resistant to staying inside the penned area. Stay there. There we go. But here they are. Look at that. Aren't they? Where's Spot? Oh, there's Spot. Spot's a darter. They're all darters. They dart to and fro. To and fro. There. I love Spot. I love you, Spot. Spot is a survivor. And maybe Spot will become our new rooster. You never know what's going to pan out with all these little ones. But it is a much calmer environment. The little chickies are much happier and safer. And we'll get another rooster. And actually, Mr. Rooster was attacking our broody hen. And that just wasn't good. We need that mama hen to take care of these little babies. And she's doing a great job. Look at that. That's a proud mama. She's got all the little babies around her. Yep. And Mrs. Meetbird now is sleeping underneath the coop with them. She's kind of a surrogate. She'd make a good surrogate mama. Mrs. Meetbird has maternal instinct. Look at that. What do you think, Sprig? Yeah. Well, it's definitely a slogger day. I haven't had my sloggers on for a while. But we're gonna go down and see the chickens. And I'm so glad I did all my fall prep stuff. Wow, that was a close call with this rain, because who knows when. Well, it's kind of calmed down a little bit now. We got a little break in the rain, but we're gonna go down and see. My one concern is Mrs. Meetbird has not, Mr. Hilder said, has not come out of the coop, and I really believe that she is in great depression. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, look at these guys. Oh, look at how they just stay right underneath her in the rain. Yeah, we got a dry area, so I'm just going to fix this up a little. They're crazy. Are they all crazy? They're all kind of crazy. Look at how they get around. Look at them. Look at them. They just... Mom's over here. Mom's over here. There we go. There we go. So we're just going to put that over here. Now let's go see Mrs. Meetbird. Oh, there's Mrs. Meetbird. Oh, poor Mrs. Meetbird. What's going on, Mrs. Meetbird? Huh? Have you eaten at all? Oh, I think Mrs. Meetbird is really depressed. I really do. I'm going to see if I can get some food in front of her. Oh, she really misses Mr. Rooster. I can't believe that. But I really think she's being affected. I do. Mr. Hilder thinks I'm crazy, but I really think that.
Think what?
That Mrs. Meetbird is depressed. Look at they're so cute. Oh, look. How did they get underneath her like that? I see feet. I see feet. That's incredible. I don't know how many underneath her. Well, there's one. Look at that. She's like, look at all those legs underneath her. She just stands there. There they are. Yep. That is the cutest thing. Oh, there's some more. Oh, there's a whole bunch. They're all popped out. They all popped out. I'm trying to stay close by them, and I'm going to start grabbing one at a time so that they get used to being handled. Because they're still, I'm surprised they're getting this close to me. But Mama's here. But that's part of assimilating them to the human world, right? Otherwise, they're going to be scared little chickies. Well, Mrs. Meetbird, I just brought in a banana and she would not eat it, but now another chicken came in and wanted the banana. And Mrs. Meetbird didn't like that. And suddenly, she's eating the banana. She's like, I'm going to eat the banana. And she did not look like she was going to eat anything. I was trying to force feed her. But I think she took a look at that other chicken and she's like, you know what, I'm depressed, but maybe I need to eat this. Because I'm not sharing my food. And I'm really surprised. Because I tell you what, Mr. Hilder said she has not eaten for 2 days, and I really think she is depressed. I do. But this is good. I'm just going to set the camera down right here. There you go, Mrs. Meetbird. You want a little more? Look at that, yeah. Here, I'll smush it up so you can eat it. There, oh, that's better. Wow. So it took another chicken in here wanting her food to kind of wake her up a little bit. She needs to get eating. Mr. Hilder was already kind of talking about putting out of her misery, and I don't think she's in misery. I really do believe that she is sad. Mr. Rooster was hurt, stayed by his side. I mean, it is really incredible. It's an incredible story. She's very loyal, and he kind of protected her from the rest of the flock. And I know she recognizes that he's gone. So Sprig is our chicken dog. And Sprig is, hi honey, you checking in on Mrs. Meetbird? How's she doing, huh? You checking in on her, huh? You probably want to drink the milk. Look at him. Yeah, that's Mrs. Meetbird. Yeah, he's so good with the chickens. Leave her be now, Sprig. Sprig, it's okay, leave her be. I tell ya, this is really becoming a soap opera. Like, really? I can't keep track of everybody. Okay. All right, Sprig, you did good. We're going to leave her be. Come on, Sprig. All right, so they all are doing their own thing this morning. It's crazy. Sprig, come on. You leave her be. She needs to rest. He's getting all wound up. Okay, come on, Sprig. Leave him be. Oh, look at that. See how Mama